Hello everyone, welcome back to my English class. How are you today? Are you good? I hope so. Mr. Thần, today I'm great. And now, students, are you ready to start the new lesson with me? Let's go. So today we are going to learn the lesson number 5. It's about the reading. As usual, before we start the new lesson, let's play the game together to review the previous one. And here's the game for you. It's called Who Wants to Win Millions? Are you ready to play with me? Why not? Let's get started. So here, there are 5 topics for you and a lot of money here. If you want to get the money, you have to make a sentence and answer the question for me. Let's start with the topic number 1. And the money is $200. Now, please make up the sentence. I will show you some words here, but they are not in the correct order. Now, please put them into the correct order to make up the sentence. And remember, please put the word there at the beginning of the sentence because it is capitalized. So the sentence is, there was a park in our town 50 years ago. There was a park in our town 50 years ago. Remember, we use was because only one park, a park. Next topic. Topic number 2, please. Which one? $400? Let's go. And now, please make up the sentence. If you can, $400 for you. Excellent. The sentence is, there wasn't a shopping mall in our town 50 years ago. There wasn't a shopping mall in our town 50 years ago. Excellent, student. Next one, topic number 3. Which one do you want to choose? $300? Why not? Make up the sentence. Go. So now, if you can, $300 for you, everybody. Very good. There were some funny trends 100 years ago. There were some funny trends 100 years ago. Because here we have trends. That's why we use were. There were trends. Next topic, topic number 4, and the money is how much? $100? Let's go. Now look at the words and put them into the correct order. Perfect. The sentence is, there weren't any plans 300 years ago. There weren't any plans 300 years ago. Good job. And the last topic, topic number 5, please. How much? Everybody? Let's choose $200, all right? And please have a look. Now, who can tell me? Absolutely, the sentence is, there were lots of buses 20 years ago. There were lots of buses 20 years ago. Excellent. And now, students, let's start the new lesson today. And now, the first part, vocabulary. Please have a look. This word, we have along. Along. Everybody, repeat after me. Along. I have an example for you. He is walking along the path, the street here. Remember this word? He is walking along the path. Next one. Look. In the middle of. In the middle of. Everybody, repeat after me. In the middle of. In the middle of. Example. Look at the picture. He's standing in the middle of a field. He's standing in the middle of a field. Next one, we have at the top of. At the top of. Now, everybody, repeat after me. At the top of. At the top of. Example. She is at the top of a mountain. She is at the top of a mountain. Next, we have between. Between. Everybody, repeat after me. Between. Example. Look at this boy. He's standing between the trees. He's standing between the trees. The two trees here. The boy is standing between the two trees. Good job. And this one, look, we have inside. Inside. Repeat after me, please. Inside. Inside. Example. The girl is inside the tree. The girl is inside the tree. Look at this girl. She is inside the tree. Now, in total, we have 5 new words. Now, listen to the recording and then repeat. Let's go.
Listening 104. Listen and point.
Along. In the middle of. At the top of. Between. Inside. In the middle of. Inside. Along. Between. At the top of.
Listen and repeat.
Along. In the middle of. At the top of. Between. Inside.
Excellent. Now, let's move on to the next activity, please. Now, everybody, please look and answer the question. What are they doing? I will show you some pictures. This is the picture number 1, number 2, and number 3. Now, look at the pictures and answer the question. What are they doing? Let's start with this one. So students, look, what are they doing? Can you tell me? Describe the picture, please. Very good. So I can say that the children and parents are in the grandparents' house. They come here to visit grandparents. Can you see? Look, they are talking and laughing. How about the picture number 2? Everybody who can tell me. What are they doing? Excellent. Now they are having a party and enjoying some food together. They look so delighted, right? And the last picture. In this picture, the children are in the teacher's house. They are giving gifts to her. She looks so happy to see the children. Now, everybody, please describe the 3 pictures here one more time. The children and parents are in the grandparents' house. They come here to visit grandparents. Look, they are talking and laughing. Now, they are having a party and enjoying some food together. They look so delighted. In this picture, the children are in their teacher's house. They are giving gifts to her. She looks so happy to see the children. Excellent. And now let's move on to the reading. It's called My Tet Holiday. Let's read it. So everybody, this is the reading, the test. Now, Mr. Thuận, I would like you to listen to the recording. Please listen to the recording.
Listening 105. Listen and read.
My Tet Holiday. Last month was the Tet holiday. All of my family came to my hometown to celebrate together. My hometown, Da Nang, is in the middle of Vietnam. My cousins traveled from Ho Chi Minh City by plane. Before Tet, we cleaned our house to prepare for the holiday. On New Year's Eve, there was a party at my grandparents' house. They live at the top of a hill. Their house is very beautiful. There are orange trees and lots of flowers. On the first day of Tet, my brother and I dressed in new clothes, and my grandparents gave us lucky money. We stayed at home with our family. We ate bánh chung and fruit. We played lots of games. We visited our friends on the second day of Tet. They had new clothes and lucky money too. We walked along the beach. We laughed and talked together all day. On the third day, we took gifts to our teachers. My teacher's house is between the beach and the town. I gave her flowers and fruit. My teacher was happy to see me and said, "Happy New Year." My holiday was very happy. I love Tet. By Win T. Oin.
So everybody, listen about the recording. Now, Mr. Thần, I am going to read the test for you. You listen and repeat, please. My Tet holiday. Last month was the Tet holiday. All of my family came to my hometown to celebrate together. My hometown, Da Nang, is in the middle of Vietnam. My cousins traveled from Ho Chi Minh City by plane. Before that, we cleaned our house to prepare for the holiday. On the New Year's Eve, there was a party at my grandparents' house. They live at the top of a hill. Their house is very beautiful. There are oranges, lots of flowers. On the first day of Tet, my brother and I dressed in the new clothes, and my grandparents gave us lucky money. We stayed at home with our family. We ate bánh chưng and fruit. We played lots of games. We visited our friends on the second day of Tet. They had new clothes and lucky money, too. We walked along the beach. We laughed and talked together all day. On the third day, we took gifts to our teachers. My teacher's house between the beach and the town. I gave her flowers and fruit. My teacher was happy to see me and said, Happy New Year. My holiday was very happy. I love Ted. By Nguyễn Thị Oanh. Is it easy for you to read? That's right. And now, everybody, please read the text again and underline the keywords. Underline the keywords so that you can understand the text easily. Let's go. Let's do it together. Last month, Ted holiday, right? The family, hometown, Đà Nẵng, remember. Travel from Ho Chi Minh City by plane. Before Ted, cleaned our house. New Year's Eve, the party, right? Grandparents' house. The top of a hill. They live at the top of a hill. Beautiful, right? Orange trees, flowers. And how about the first day of Ted? Dressed in new clothes, lucky money, stayed at home, ate bánh and fruit, played games, right? Visited our friends, second day of Ted. Walked along the beach, laughed, talked together. How about the third day? Took gifts to teachers. Teacher's house, where? Between the beach and the town. Gave her flowers and fruit. Teacher happy. Holiday was happy, right? Excellent. And now, this is the communicative activity. And now, in this activity, students, you are going to ask and answer the following questions. And this is the first one. Whose Ted holiday is it? Of course, it's one's Ted holiday, right? Next one. According to the text, when was the Ted holiday? Remember, according to the text, the reading, when was the Ted holiday? That's right. Last month was one's Ted holiday. Good job. Next question. Where's her hometown, everybody? Where's her hometown? Who can answer my question? Very good. Her hometown is Đà Nẵng, right? It's in the middle of Vietnam. And here, what did they do before Ted? What did they do before Ted? They cleaned house to prepare for the holiday. They cleaned house to prepare for the holiday. Good job. Next one. The question is, where is grandparents' house? Where is grandparents' house? Who can? Absolutely. It's at the top of the hill, right? It's at the top of a hill. Thank you. Next one. What did they do on the first day of Ted? What did they do on the first day of Ted, everybody? That's right. They dressed in the new clothes, got lucky money, enjoyed the food and playing games. How about this time? The question is, what did they do on the second day of Tet? Remember the second day of Tet. They visited friends, walked along the beach in beautiful clothes, laughed and talked together. Excellent. This time, what did they do on the third day of Tet? Everybody, what did they do on the third day of Tet? Who can? Remember, this is the third day of Tet. They gave gifts, flowers, and fruits to the teacher. Awesome. Next. Did one like the holiday, everybody? Did she like the holiday? Of course, yes. She said it was happy, right? Now, this is another activity for you. Look and answer the following question. What can you do in the Tet holiday? Now I will show you some pictures here. In total, we have 6 pictures. And now everybody look at the pictures and answer my question. What can you do in the Tet holiday? What can you do in the Tet holiday? This one first. Look at the picture, please. What can you do? That's right. We can clean house to prepare for Tet. This one. Look in the picture. Can you see the fireworks? That's why we can say that. We can watch the beautiful fireworks. How about this picture? What can you do? We can visit our relatives. We can visit our relatives, right? Next one. Look at this picture. What can you do? We can eat special food with family, right? Special food in the Tet holiday. And how about this one? We can receive the lucky money from our relatives, right? Especially for you guys, students. We can receive the lucky money from our relatives. And the last one is, we can visit our teachers, right? Visit the teachers. Very good, students. So this is the end of our lesson today, and here's your homework. Number 1, please review the lesson 5 in unit 11. Next, finish the worksheet 5. So, thanks for listening and watching. I'll see you next time. Have a nice day.